Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your new Samsung Galaxy smartwatch active under 5 minutes, starting right now. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartphones and smartwatches, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. I have done a video already about the unboxing for Samsung Galaxy Watch Active and briefly introduce you about its specs, which you can find on the top right corner. Be sure to check it out once you're done watching this one. Alright, once your watch is out of the box, the first thing you need to do is download the Galaxy Wearable app on your cell phone from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. In this case, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now turn on the watch by press holding the bottom right button as shown and wait until it boots up. To my surprise, it boots up really fast. Now slide up once you see the Let's Go screen, which then will show up the procedure you need to follow. On your cell phone, click on the Start Journey tab and select the Galaxy Watch Active and click OK to pair it up. Now it's going to automatically pair up the watch, provided the watch is on. And you will also see the watch screen changes with this nice animation. It took about 5 minutes for me, and then the congrats screen will appear. Now click Agree to proceed. Click Allow to all the options, which are basically to allow your watch full access to the phone. Hit Agree All on the next screen. You can also back up your data if you were to switch from an older Galaxy Watch Active, which is really cool, but in my case I'm going to skip it. That's it, you're all set up to enjoy your watch under 5 minutes. The next screen will be the dashboard on your watch on your phone, where you can see your watch info like the storage, the battery percentage, the RAM, and all the setting of your watch on your phone. Keep in mind you can also access the same on your watch as well. Now your watch will briefly introduce you with the swipes to get you familiar with various swipes and what it can do, as well as the physical buttons and their function. And at the end, your watch will ask you to place your palm on the screen to turn the display off, and that's it. That's pretty much it with the setup, guys. Check out the description of this video to find links to amazing deals on Galaxy Watch Active and its accessories. Also make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming Galaxy Watch Active video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.